Hi everyone, this is Richard. In this video, let's talk about element reference. So the keyword is ref, okay? Sometimes you want to do something with the element, the HTML element itself, or the component. You want to do something with the element itself, not the data associated with the element, right? So we in times past did input, and then there was like a text, and we put some number inside there, and we got that number to do something with it, right? But what about the element in and of itself? What if we need for that to do something? And that's where you use element reference. Okay, so let's give an example of this. Input and @ref is example input, and the keyword here is element reference right here, and it can be private example input. Okay, so this input gets marked right here, and now you can do something with it. So the button on click change focus, it comes down to here, private async task change focus and await example input. I just did an async because we could. I saw that as an example, but we'll talk about that. And then focus async. So what can happen is if your cursor is right down here, but you click here, it appears on the element itself. Okay, it puts the focus on the element. So you're clicking away, clicking back onto the element. Okay, so that is that's referencing the element and not the data associated with the element. Okay, so in many ways, this is kind of like a delegate, right? So the element reference references the HTML element, but a delegate references another method, right? So it's the idea of referencing something else in order to, I guess, get a job done, right? Right here, this we could have done something different. We could have done this as void, and we could have removed await. So we could have done that as well. That would have worked just as well. But that was just an option from before. All right. One is not better than the other. I think actually the void might be a little bit better even. So anyway, that's it with element reference. Thanks.